We are today from Khiran Technical, the GM manager with us, Muhammad. Muhammad, how do you see this year, the InfoConnect?
This is very good because lots of crowds, and we see this is very effective for all the people who wants to have solution and like want to have the products. And it's great to know that every year Info they are doing this exhibition to know people that there is a new technology is been introduced in Kuwait. So this is a good reason and good platform for everybody to come and see the products and the solution.
Is this year the first year to you to participate here?
This is our first year, yes, and it is really great to take part in this exhibition because whatever products we have, we cannot take everything to the customer and display. This is we have. But if we are taking part, I can display all my products, and it can give you 100%, display. Okay, I have solution this, I have product of this. So it is not only corporate people, even the normal people, they can come and they can visit.
So of course we will see you the next year.
Yes, of course we are planning in the next year. We are expecting a bigger than this.
Did you achieve all your goals this year?
Alhamdulillah, it is more than we expected. We achieved our goal, Alhamdulillah.
And as we are seeing here, the biggest HD resolution screen in the world.
This is,
How can you explain to us?
it is one of the largest display screen as a glass, and it is made in Slovenia, and this is giving lifetime warranty on the glass, and you can make it 3D, you can play any channels you have, you can play games, and it can be used for rental, can be used for exhibition, it can be used for home theater, it can be used for Diwania and training purpose. Like recently, like Minister of Defense, then Kufik, then training schools, they have come and they want this for their training purpose. At the same time, if you try to break it, it will not break because this is proof, like hardened. You try to break with the hammer, it will not break, and unless you hit in the corner. So like it is safety. And on the other hand, let's say if you have LED TV and LCD TV, it will reflect your eyes and it will give pain. But when you are seeing this, it will not give you any problem because it's protecting the projector rays from the behind. So it is health-wise, it is very good.
Muhammad, the GM of Khiran Technical, thank you so much. We are so happy to see you and hope to see you the next year.
Inshallah, we will be taking part, inshallah, in a good way, in a bigger way. Thank you.
Thank you so much.